This class we are going to study about the basic elements in electrical drives. Last class, in the introduction class, we are study about compare this basic element with some examples. Here we are going the basic elements in electrical drive are source, power modulator, motor, load sensing unit and control unit. Here we have a simple experiment example for it. We have imagined that uh, a water level controller uh, in our tank, water tank. Then we know that the source 230 volt. The power modulator will be kept as in a starter, and next it will be control the motor. After that, a load the water to the water tank. After that, the water level will be controlled by the sensor. There we have in on board that sensor will be given to the control unit. The control unit will be switch on and switch off the motor. Thus, the water level in our tank will be maintained. This will be we are going to study about the source model individually. First of all, source. The source. Now we have AC source and DC source. Yes. AC source and DC source. The DC source normally we are using in DC drives, and DC source normally we have get from the batteries. Then in AC power we have classified it into two types: single phase AC and three phase AC. Normally single phase AC will be used for low power applications. We know that home applications will be operating based on the single phase AC source. Our grinder mixer will be operating in the single phase low power applications. Three phase AC will be used for high power application type in industrials for driving the motor and mills. There we are using high power machines or motor drives, so that we are using three power supply. Then about the modulator. The function of the modulator is to match the source and the drive. Sometimes if we are to imagine that our source is AC, now the motor is DC, means the modulator will be convert the AC to DC. Here we are using rectifier as a modulator. Sometimes we are using DC supply and the motor is AC. AC means your inverter will be act as a modulator. It's like basic it is, or sometimes both are DC means here chopper we can use. Both are AC means AC motor and AC supply means we will use single phase voltage controller. AC voltage controller will be used as a modulator. The main function of the modulator to matching the motor, drive motor and the source. Here the function of the modulator is will be controlled under transition condition. That means transition means the starting, braking and the operating conditions we are using this modulator. And it also will protect the motor in the safe limit. That's also its function. Normally here we are using normally the modulator will be here controlled rectifier, inverters, voltage controller, DC chopper, cycloconverters will be used as the modulator. Then about sensing unit. Sensing unit, that you know that it will be sense the parameters, voltage, current, speed, temperature, torque, position sensors will be also be available. Normally voltage sensors we know that the current sensor, speed for the sensing the speed we are using TACO generator, and the temperature we are using thermistor, And then if we wants to measure the torque itself, we have magneto-elastic torque sensors also be available. It will be used in aircraft for measuring the torque. This this parameter in the sensing unit, it will be change these parameters to the signal to the control unit. That's its function. The available voltage sensor is several sensors will be available. The function of the sensor is to convert the parameters into a signal for a control unit. Then about the control unit will be control the modulator based on the signal received from the sensors. That's the function of control unit. Control unit will be control the modulator. It will be controls the modulator. Triggering pulses will be given to the modulator based on the signal received from the sensors, as well as it will be compared with the command that we have given to it. Next, its function is also be protecting the power modulator and the motor. If any unnecessary overload will be happening, means it will be it protect the modulator by giving the signal to it. Then about motor, the machine which drives the load, we know about it. There are several number of type of motors will be there. DC motor, series shunt motor, compound motors will be there. AC motors, single phase motors, three phase motors. Next, separate special electrical machines motors also be available. Stepper motor, brushless DC motors, the thread motors are also we are using. Then we are selecting this motor normally based on the capacity. It will be does not be overheat, heat and damage. It can withstand the load. That's the main thing. Okay, thank you.